The Chrysler Pacifica has been generating a lot of activity for the automaker ever since it was reintroduced as the minivan in 2017. Even though its build quality and dependability weren't great in the beginning, this van has advanced significantly since then. The 2020 Chrysler Pacifica has been able to position itself down to just 1 recall and 80 complaints, from nearly 10 recalls and 850 complaints in the past. But don't expect this van to be faultless, because as more cars begin to reach high mileage, more problems could surface. So, let's take a closer look at the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine problems. According to reports, the minivan's engine frequently cuts out at low speeds in cities. This results in the dash displaying a start-stop system unavailable or engine warning light. Drivers are compelled to restart the car after putting it in park mode. Although the dealer reportedly updated the engine management and start-stop systems firmware, some users claim that the problems still exist. Owners have also expressed concern about the car accelerating on its own while it was stopped, without any throttle input. Service brakes. The Chrysler Pacifica's brakes occasionally don't work properly. Owners claim that even after depressing the pedal, the car still jerks forward. The NHTSA has officially documented at least 2 crashes involving this issue, with 1 injury. Infotainment. The Uconnect system speakers are constantly making grainy noises inside the vehicle, according to users. When attempting to open certain apps, the system also goes blank or freezes at the loading screen. According to some owners, the problems continue even after software updates or a new head unit. Another problem that many owners have is faulty backup camera image display, but this was resolved as part of the recall that was started in April 2020. Sliding door. The 2020 Chrysler Pacifica's power sliding door has caused problems for a number of its owners. The drivers must repeatedly close the door for the locks to engage because they do not automatically lock when it is closed. Some owners claim that when the door closes halfway, it doesn't close as it should, as if something is in the way. The problem was initially found to be in the software, but users continued to complain that it persisted even after the problem had been fixed. Airbags. The 2020 Chrysler Pacifica's airbags have been criticized for failing to inflate in the event of a collision. NHTSA has identified at least 2 collisions and 1 injury associated with this issue. On this matter, there is no statement available from the automaker. Suspension. The minivan frequently experiences premature suspension or damper failure. This has an impact on the car's handling and ride quality. The known solution to this problem is to replace the damaged component. Fuel tank. The fuel nozzle on the Pacifica shuts off before the tank is fully filled due to a flaw in its fuel tank design. Despite the fact that there have been no official complaints to the NHTSA regarding this, owners have generally had this problem. Drives are left out to adjust the fuel nozzle to awkward positions when refilling gas to fully fill the tank because the automaker has not made a statement on this issue. Recalls. Regarding the rear view image remaining on display, there is only 1 recall. The rear view camera image may continue to display even after the car has been moved out of reverse due to a software error, which could be distracting for the driver and raise the likelihood of a collision. Should you buy it? The Chrysler Pacifica has always been a fantastic option for those seeking the best value in a family van without sacrificing the amount of space and functionality. The Pacifica, which was loosely based on the Grand Caravan, always seemed familiar even though it was much better made and equipped than the aforementioned Dodge model. The regular Pacifica has been mechanically more reliable than its hybrid counterpart, as most of the problems listed here have an electronic origin. Additionally, there have been fewer official complaints and recalls in recent years, making it a reliable option in the market at the moment. Therefore, a used 2020 Chrysler Pacifica on a good deal is worth what it asks for those looking for a decently packaged family van.